Carson, can you do it?
Carson, you show Sissy how to do a popcorn? Good job. Do it again. Show again,
Carson?
Sissy. Look at Sissy, Carson. Oh, she missed. Try again. Okay, Jason, you try. Good job.
Okay, Carson.
Okay, Carson, your turn. Try again. Rupert's loving this. Uh-oh, try again. Almost. You try one more for Mama? Try again. Try to get popcorn in your mouth.
Carson, Carson, can you try? Can you try?
Sissy, show him again.
Ow!
Did you bump your head, Jason?
Yeah, like
hey,
bam.
Can you get a piece of popcorn in your mouth, Carson?
Mom.
Did you bump your head? Okay, one more popcorn. Try again.
Let's go.
Oh, look. Okay, I caught it.
Good job, Carson. You did it. Show me. Do like 7 pieces.
Oh, man.
Oh, okay, I caught it.
Try to talk while he's talking.
Okay.
Yeah.